doing? I have 6 sketch pens here. I am going to add 2 more sketch pens. 6 plus 2. How many? 7 and 8. I have 6 glitter pens here. I am not going to add anything to it. I am sure now you will be able to guess. What are we going to learn today? We are going to add a number which is very important. It feels it has no value, but it is one of the most important numbers in our number system. When I added 2 more sketch pens to these 6 sketch pens, they became 8. But in this case, I am not adding any more glitter colors to it. So the number remains the same. So which number must have I added so that the number is the same? It's a 0. When you add 0 to any number, its value remains the same. You know what? जो 0 से टकराता है वो वही रह जाता है. यानी कि 6 plus 0 is 6. यानी that means that जब 6 is added, the 0 is added to 6, the number 6 remains as it is, and same happens with all the numbers. So my dear students, today we are going to learn the concept of adding 0 to the numbers.
Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start with addition. And when we start with addition of different numbers, we should always start with adding 0. Do you remember we talked about 0? What do you understand by 0? When we say nothing is there, that is 0. Now, if I have to add 0 to a number, what will happen? We are going to discover this today. And slowly and gradually, we will be doing all the numbers. Adding is when we put numbers together and then we say their total. When we combine the numbers or the things together. Remember, when your mama gets the grocery, maybe she gets 1 packet and 1 more packet of sugar. So what is this? Putting 1 packet and another packet of sugar. So this is combining both of them. How many packets they are? 2 packets. So your mama has bought 2 packets of sugar. So adding is when we put the numbers or the things together. Before we do the addition of number 0, we should know the addition facts, that when we add 0 to a number, what happens? Yes, 0 is fun. It means there are none. That means nothing is there. When you add 0, you add nothing. When I am saying in my previous slide that 0 is none, that means whenever I am adding 0, that means I am adding nothing. So when you add 0, you add nothing. Let's take one example. I say 1 plus 0. What will I get? 1 plus 0. Now here you can see that this is 1 and this is 0. And when I am adding 0 to a number, I am adding nothing. So the number remains as it is. That means my answer will be 1 only. So remember, जब 0 से टकराते हैं 0 वही बन जाता है. यानी कि कोई भी नंबर जब 0 के साथ मिलता है तो 0 वही नंबर बन जाता है. 1 plus 0 is 1. Let's take second example. When I say 2 plus 0, that means 0 is added to 2. That means nothing is added to 2. So my sum will be 2. My sum will be 2. Let's move on to the next example. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3 only. So we don't need to calculate anything. We just need to know the concept behind it. Let's move on to the next example. 4 plus 0 will be 4. So what will be 5 plus 0? Yes, it will be 5. Now you are going to give answers to your parents, and here this concept will be clear to you. Next, 6 plus 0. Quickly say the sum. What is the sum? 6 plus 0 is 6. Let's go on to the next one. 7 plus 0 is 7. What about the next one? Which number will I give you now? Now you could be able to understand. 8 plus 0 is 8. What will be the next number? 9. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 10. We are taking 10 here because in numbers 0 to 9, we have already done number 10. That is why we are taking number 10 here. We should know the properties of number 10 beforehand. So that is why I had taken this number there in the first chapter itself. The sum is 10. Now, we were writing 1 plus 0. Now, if I say 0 plus 10, instead of writing 10 plus 0, I change the position of 0 and 10. And now, earlier what I had written? This was 10 plus 0. So, 10 plus 0 was what? 10. Now, I am changing the position. I am bringing 0 here, first place, and taking 10 here on the second place. Then also, my sum will be 10 only. This is the rule of addition. If we are adding two numbers, even if we change their place, this is the place of 0, this is the place of 10. Even if we change the place, the sum remains the same. So there is no change in the sum. This is the 10 is the sum. Both the places, the sum is same. The sum remains same. Now, what about these numbers? Again, I have exchange the places. Earlier it was 9 plus 0. 0 plus 9. Both are same. 0 plus 9 is 9 only. 0 plus 8. So what number was earlier? 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0 or 0 plus 8. Both are same. Now next. 0 plus 7. Now you can give the answer directly. Is 7. 0 plus 5 is 5. The sum is 5. 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 plus 1. Sum is 1. Hope you are able to understand this concept. Very, very, very easy. Rule 1. When we add a number to 0, the number stays the same. And even if we change the place of the number, then also the sum is same. My dear student, hope you have understood this concept. You can just write and practice all this in your rough notebook. And because this is a video, you can slowly move it and you can give the answers of every question which has been put up to your parents. Take care and God bless you.